When operating a Hydrotek decontamination unit, follow the standard operating procedures before and after performing a decontamination to ensure that the unit works properly and to avoid costly repairs later. The Hydrotek unit consists of a small engine, a pump, and a burner. The engine runs on unleaded gasoline, and the burner runs on either diesel or kerosene fuel. Be sure to check fuel levels before operating the unit and never mix the different types of fuel or fill the wrong fuel tank. All tanks should be clearly labeled. The pump uses a non-detergent oil which should be checked regularly. Depending upon the model, the pump will either have a dipstick or a window to check oil levels. The oil should be a yellow or brown color and have a clear, translucent appearance. Be sure that the oil does not look cloudy or have a milky consistency. This is an indication that there may be a leak and that the pump needs to be repaired. The last fluid to check is the engine oil. Find the dipstick with a yellow ring on the engine and check that the oil is full and clean. Engine oil that is dirty should be changed. Next, roll out the high-pressure hose and check all connections. Decontamination units should never be operated without water and must be connected to a water source. This can be either from a garden hose connection or a water storage tank. Check the water filter for mud, debris, or other obstructions. Once all fluids are checked and water is connected, the decontamination unit is ready to be started. First, depress the trigger so that the pressure does not build up in the system. Next, pull the metal choke and then turn the key. When the engine turns over, push the choke back in. Once the engine is running and water is moving through the system, turn the burner switch to on. A red light will appear when the burner is on. Turn the knob to adjust the water temperature setting. Use a thermometer to ensure that the water is either 120 or 140 degrees, depending upon the procedure. Perform the step-by-step decontamination procedure as needed. Once the decontamination is complete, shut down the unit by first turning off the burner. Continue to squeeze the trigger on the spray gun until the water cools. Next, turn off the engine and the water supply. Finally, squeeze the trigger to release any trapped pressure or water, disconnect the attachments, and store the unit properly.